Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm Wendy, founder and CEO of Grace Legal Support Services. Over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 things I wish I knew when I got divorced. I felt like this would be an awesome way to wrap up the divorce series that I've been covering through Grace Legal Support's social media pages. If you missed the series, don't worry. Head on over to our Facebook and Instagram pages to catch up. I'll put the link to both pages down below. When I was thinking of what I wanted this virtual paralegal company to look like, one of the things that was important to me was that I can educate and empower my community. I've been through a lot of life experiences, and sharing bits of my story is a powerful way of doing that. I got married when I was 18 years old. I was young, rebellious, and just straight up naive. I truly thought that my then husband had my best interests at heart, and unfortunately I was wrong. We were married for 3.5 years, and the marriage ended in divorce in 2009. So the first thing I wish I knew when I was getting a divorce was what the laws were on the topic of divorce. When I separated from my then husband, I landed in a homeless shelter. My son was 4 months old at the time. I didn't know where to find information on the process of getting divorced, and I wasn't a paralegal yet, so I ended up representing myself pro se, and I used the lawyer of the day at the courthouse to help me with completing the paperwork that I needed. Now that I know better, here's what I could share with you. So there are 2 categories of divorce in Massachusetts: fault and no fault. A fault divorce consists of 7 grounds or reasons for divorce. You must be able to prove the ground that you are using for your fault divorce in order to go ahead and file for this type of divorce. And for no fault divorce, the most common reason for this type of divorce is the irretrievable breakdown of marriage, which means that there's no intent and no hope of reconciling. Now, filing a no-fault divorce may be less expensive than filing a fault divorce because remember, fault divorce requires more time and evidence to support the reason or ground you're alleging for this type of divorce. I actually break down both types of divorces as well as the documents required and information about where to file and how much it'll cost through the court to go through this process through the divorce series posted on Grace Legal Support's social media pages. Through our Instagram page, I actually have a link there that'll provide you with blank copies of most of the documents that you'll need in order to file either type of divorce. You can also get more detailed information about what Massachusetts law says about divorce by going straight to the source. Just visit www.mass.gov/divorce, or you can Google Mass General Law Section 208. The second thing I wish I knew was information about alimony. Alimony is court-ordered support paid by one spouse to the other for a specified period after the divorce. Some things that the judge looks at to determine the alimony are the length of marriage, the age and health of the parties, the income, employment, or the employability of the parties, the marital lifestyle. For example, if you were a stay-at-home wife or mom for the entire marriage and this divorce is now going to force you back into the workforce, that can be considered. And of course, there's other factors. Thirdly, I wish I knew that this process was going to hurt like hell. Yeah, grief is real. As much as you despise your soon-to-be ex, the vow of marriage is a big deal, and breaking that vow hurts. Some advice from one divorcee to another: don't expect to heal in one day, 1 week, or even 1 month. Healing takes time. Find yourself a therapist who you can vent to and unload the grief. Try not to dwell on the what ifs, and just accept the situation for what it is. Look forward as best as you can. Put one foot in front of the other. Find yourself. Find out what you like. Date yourself. I used to take myself out, go to a bar, have a drink, have a meal, and just enjoy myself. Figure out what I like. get myself into a new hobby or a skill. I used to go to young professionals meetups just to network and just try to not distract myself, but just to get my mind off of the negative situation and look forward and aim to progress. Put together girls' nights, surround yourself with your support system. And last but not least, just be gracious to yourself. Be kind to yourself. You're not a robot. You deserve the room to feel and heal. So allow yourself to do just that and don't rush it. The fourth thing I wish I knew was that I was going to be a single parent. Like, I'm single as in not married, divorced, but I wasn't ready for dude to be gone like the wind. Like, where did he go? Like, bro, you cheated on me, you did me wrong, or what about our son? So be ready to be a single parent. Be prepared to learn how to co-parent, and how to navigate the hurt, how to learn how to be both mom and dad if the other party just goes MIA. Being a single parent is not easy. Trust me, I'm a single parent of 2 boys. So be self-aware and seek out resources as much as you can. There are moms groups and single dads groups out there. For my single fathers, there is an organization here in Massachusetts called Fathers Uplift, and it offers a huge amount of support and organization and encouragement. Families First is also another organization that supports parents regardless of your parenting situation. So check those organizations out. I'll put their information down below as well. The fifth thing I wish I knew was where to find an attorney. And if that is your predicament, and you need an attorney, Grace Legal Support Services works with so many attorneys, and we can refer you to one or a few so that you can decipher which attorney suits you in your situation best. If you need that assistance, send us a message via social media or shoot us an email at info@gracelegalsupport.com. That information will be down below also. And we'll be able to support you and refer you to an attorney or a mediator. And you can go ahead and meet with them, schedule a consultation, and see if they work for you in your situation. I really hope that you found value in this video. Next week, I'll be back with the last 5 things I wish I knew when I got divorced. Subscribe to our channel so that you can keep up to date with our videos, and don't forget to hit like to let us know that you gained something from this video, and just to support us. If there's a topic that you would like us to cover, send us a message and let us know what that topic is. We want to be able to equip you and give you the tools so that you can navigate your circumstances. One of the things and the burdens of our community is that we don't know our rights, we don't know what the law says, and so we don't know how to navigate our situations. And a lot of us don't have tons of money to hire an attorney. And a lot of these situations, we really could represent ourselves. So if there's a topic out there that you would like us to cover, send us a message or email us to let us know what that topic is, and then we'll create some content to address the topic. For more information about Grace Legal Support Services, check out our website, www.gracelegalsupport.com. Send us an email at info@gracelegalsupport.com or give us a call, 617-615-9701. And don't forget, follow us on social media, Instagram, gracelegal.support, and Facebook @gracelegalsupport.